happy na birthday mo pa. Oh, pinit.
Come on, open. Let's see how it is. Just show them kung ano yung crate pwede.
Wow.
And one more. Oh, you're so girly. There's one. Wow, kasi daw natin na magaganyan. Kevin, thank you. Someone will give gift back. I didn't know. Everyone has gift na. And you can buy whatever you want, darling. I know you'll be happy. And the most important, ito, Miss Mary Ann. This is a birthday gift from everyone. So please open it now.
Oh, pinit. Oh,
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Open.
Ano kaya to?
Kumikinang.
Parang alam ko na.
Sasabog yan.
Parang alam ko na kagad to.
Sasabog yan. Wow.
Alam ko na to. Sabi ko na eh. Sabi ko na.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Cellphone. Thank you.
Happy birthday! I'm so happy. Yeah, it's for everyone.
Oh my goodness.
Yan na. Palitan ko na yan.
Gagawin ko pala yung pamilya.
Okay.
Wala na, hindi na pwedeng ano yan.
Sobrang love ka ni Carlo kasi si Carlo nakaisip.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. Sobrang ano niya, inisip niya na para hindi ka na mahirapan. And also, kami lahat, nag-solid sa kami talaga.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much.
Masyadong matatagalan sa food. At At para ano? At para hindi mo nagagamitin yung favorite phone mo.
Yan ang bagong favorite.
Para
Yan ang pinaka-latest ngayon, ha?
yan yung naka-latest. Nalap namin yung for you. Nakamaganda yung
iPhone
phone mo.
20.
So, kailangan
Thank
natin
you.
tawag pa ka.
Iiyak.
O, picture, iiyak na.
Thank you.